A life in tax. The Tax Audit Chronicles, the notification, a storm brewing. It was a regular Tuesday morning when Adewale, the finance manager of XYZ Leti, opened his inbox. Among routine emails sat a letter from the Federal Inland Revenue Service. The subject line read, Notification of Tax Audit 2019-2023. His heart skipped a beat. For Adewale, a seasoned accountant, this was the moment every finance professional dreads but prepares for. The audit was scheduled to begin in 3 weeks, and the letter listed a comprehensive array of documents to be submitted. Adewale immediately called an emergency meeting with his team. This isn't just another compliance check, he said. It's a test of our integrity and preparedness. Let's make it count. Preparation, the calm before the storm. Adewale had seen audits go wrong in his career, and he knew the importance of preparation. He appointed Kioma, the assistant tax manager, as the audit coordinator. Together, they drafted a battle plan. Step 1, pull all financial records, tax returns, VAT filings, and payroll data. Step 2, conduct a tax health check or internal audit. Step 3, bring in external tax consultants to review the company's compliance. The team worked tirelessly. Late nights became the norm, and every line in their financial statements was scrutinized. Adewale reminded his team, we're not just proving compliance, we're telling a story, our story of integrity. The audit begins, the eye of the storm. The Federal Inland Revenue Service team arrived on a Monday morning, led by Mrs. Adebayo, a no-nonsense FIRS staff with a reputation for thoroughness. Adewale greeted them with a warm smile and escorted them to the conference room, which had been converted into a workspace for the audit. For 2 weeks, the auditors combed through documents, raised queries, and inspected records. One day, Mrs. Adebayo asked about a large transaction flagged in the 2020 accounts. Adewale, anticipating the question, presented a detailed explanation supported by invoices and contracts. You've done your homework, she said with a nod. Adewale felt a flicker of relief but knew the real test was yet to come. The reconciliation meeting, negotiating the narrative. The draft audit report arrived, outlining additional tax liabilities, penalties, and interest. Some findings were valid, but others were based on misunderstandings or incomplete information. Adewale called a team meeting. This is our chance to correct the narrative, he said. We'll prepare counter-arguments with supporting evidence and present our case professionally. At the reconciliation meeting, Adewale and Chioma walked the FIRS team through their responses. They clarified discrepancies, highlighted errors in the report, and got reductions in penalties. Mrs. Adebayo, impressed by their thoroughness, agreed to several adjustments. Resolution, a new dawn. The final audit report arrived 2 weeks later. XYZ Leninat owed some additional taxes but had avoided crippling penalties. Adewale arranged for payment and obtained receipts as evidence of full settlement. Reflecting on the experience, he felt a mix of exhaustion and pride. We've not only survived this audit, he told his team, but we've emerged stronger. Let's use this as a foundation to improve our processes and stay ahead. The lesson, a tax professional's journey. Months later, as Adewale shared his story at a tax seminar, he concluded with these words. Tax audits are like storms. They test your structure, expose weaknesses, and demand resilience. But with preparation, professionalism, and the right team, you can navigate them and emerge stronger. In the world of tax, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. The audience, many of them young professionals, applauded. For Adewale, this was more than a story. It was a testament to his life in tax. Olatunji Abdulrazak, CNA, ACTE, ACI, RB founder, CEO, Tax Mobile Online.